Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering every source of photos so nothing gets left behind. Plug in phones and card readers, then copy everything into a single master photos folder on a fast SSD. This prevents scattered files and speeds processing. Once done, apply a consistent naming schema like YIMMDD description unique ID so files sort chronologically and remain searchable. Make sure to avoid editing originals. Work on copies so you always retain the untouched master files for long-term preservation. You now clean and standardize the collection. Run a reliable deduplication tool to remove byte-identical copies, saving space and reducing clutter. Next, convert proprietary RAW files to a stable, lossless format such as DNG or TIFF so future software changes won't orphan files, and compress JPEG only if acceptable. Then add minimal embedded metadata, year, location, and key people, so searchability remains robust. This matters later when you migrate storage or build catalogs. You complete the lifecycle by creating durable backups and verification routines. Implement the 3-2-1 rule. Keep 3 copies on 2 different media types and 1 offsite. Cloud plus an air-gapped drive works well. Once done, set automated checksum checks and refresh copies every few years to prevent bit rot. If corruption appears, restore from the redundant copy, run file recovery tools, and identify the failure cause so you can replace faulty media. This ensures your photos remain accessible for a lifetime.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.